24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know that there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Discuss the daily routines with the children. That is, getting up early, taking breakfast, going to school, eating lunch and dinner, sleeping at night, etc. Encourage them to discuss the importance of following routines. Now show the picture of a jug and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer you correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a jug. It is blue or any color, and its name is jug. Ask the children if they can tell about the use of a jug. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that we put water in it. Now show to the class a picture of a jeep and frame the questions like you have asked about the jug. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter J and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize letter J. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the small letter J with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
The cousin of a car, I am a jeep. See me in jungle safaris in the woods deep. I'm quite like a car, but stronger and higher. For rocky and bumpy roads are designed my tires. I take heavy loads, I'm rough and tough.
Write letter J on the writing board. Tell the children that this is a small letter J and it says J. Say the sound of the letter J. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. J, J, juice. J, J, juice. J, J, juice. J, J, juice. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter J activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write letter J on the last 3 lines and give instructions. Start at the middle, 2nd line, and draw a straight line touching the last line, 4th line. Curve back to the left side and slightly lift up. Then go above the middle between the first and the second and make a small dot. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter J with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter J in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize J. Reinforcement worksheet of letter J can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.